So it's hot. It's supposed to be hot. Now wow. This is our landlord. Not only woman did they give us for this compound. 3 girls, only one boy. Close down.
Good morning.
Good morning. The new neighbor upstairs.
Yes. My name is Ella.
Okay, my name is Oyiko.
Oh, you are the one occupying
Yes. Let me do
and they tell me see one fine boy did this thing. Anyways, let me just pack my stuff.
You need help?
No, I'll carry it myself.
You sure?
I will carry it myself, don't worry. Thank you.
So I get your shoe. Right. Ooh.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
How now?
Fine. What are you doing there?
You know, say I just moved in and I want cook. So I don't know whether you go fit. I beg, give me salt. Neighbor.
Salt?
Yes. You know, so I just moved come this area and I don't feel find where office is salt. You know, I think that come with last time my neighbor way.
Salt, are we?
Salt.
Neighbor, what now?
No this, I beg. No this. If he add pepper, Joe.
Pepper and salt.
Sorry, no this. So.
Neighbor, again.
I'm sorry, I'm beg. No this. Now because of say I don't know this place, so I just need if you go fit add Maggi.
Salt, pepper and Maggi.
No plenty. I no go ask again. No best. Sorry.
God. What else do you want?
Neighbor, I feel see onion. Maybe if you join on to that pepper salt, maybe.
And what else again?
Finish.
That pepper will enter your eyes. That pepper will enter your eye. Only today you just move in and see, later I don't want to be this way. I don't want anyone. I'm facing the problem.
Now, you know say you're not fine, but you're not supposed to be shout. Just let me go bring down my bag.
Man, bring her.
Just let me bring her bag.
I did 1 minute.
No Theo.
So only today when you move in, you don't ever give better person house.
There's somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
Ooh. Neighbor. What is it again?
Neighbor. Are you still angry?
I'm not angry now. The way you just came, I'm not. That's what I'm asking. What's up? What can I do for you this time?
Okay. The thing is, I'm so bored upstairs. I don't know if I can come in.
You want to come inside?
Yes.
We have other male neighbor up now, female neighbor. Why not?
Why are you doing like this now?
Okay, it's more you want.
Yes, I just want to Netflix and chill.
You want to Netflix and chill? You will talk like that since now. Yeah,
neighbor.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You have a lovely place.
Thank you. God.
Why are you sitting far now? Come closer.
I should come.
Come and sit down here.
Yeah.
Maybe come closer.
I should
Okay. Anyways, bring the remote and let me select the movie I want to watch.
For that one, you know, I'm sorry, my Netflix subscription has expired.
Oh.
But I can renew it too.
Yeah.
I can renew it, but we can just chill.
Okay, now let's chill. So, what are we supposed to be doing?
Come 1 minute. Let me get something inside.
Oh, okay. Alright.
What this guy gets Oyiko! What this guy don't work out, come on, go. Hello.
Hi.
Your face. You are the new neighbor, Abby?
Yeah.
That lives just opposite me.
Oh, yeah.
Where is this guy?
Okay, yeah, he went inside to get something.
What are you doing here?
I came to Netflix and chill. But
You came to Netflix and chill?
yes, I was bored upstairs, so I came down
So you came, who told you Oyiko has Netflix? He does not. Oyiko. He does not have Netflix. Can't you see how this place is hot? He does not even have AC. Listen, I have AC. I have Netflix. You will watch, you will chill. Come on, let's go, Joe. You deserve a good life. Come, let's go.
Netflix and chill.
Come on, follow me. Can't you see how this place is hot?
It's actually hot.
Don't you want to chill while watching Netflix?
Okay, let's go. This is actually hot.
It's hot. It's supposed to be hot. Don't worry, be going, I'll be with you. Fine girl. Come. Be going. Wait. We play the hot. See my jacket. I don't sweat in time. I sweat.
She don't give me like I will carry this thing. I want to know, man.
You go there normal today. He go long die. If you don't leave me, leave me. Let me can go and enjoy my